5, 6. It's their stock numbers. You get to pick 1 to 6.
6. What do you mean? Why does I go this way?
So I guess that means if you go this way, you'll land on this one. But if you go this way, you'll get that.
What is that?
I don't know.
I'm not doing anything.
So that.
Oh, I got an ally.
You got another ally? Does it give you 2 allies, or do you get a new ally, or just 2 allies? Oh, you just get a new ally.
Can I get a new one?
Yeah.
He's cool. Goes green.
Mhm. Green gang.
No, not here.
I have 2 allies!
You had 2 allies. They took away your first one.
No, I sold my first one.
You still have your first one?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No way.
Yes
Wow.
way. Can't take pancake. I'm such a winner.
Grab pancakes. You can only grab the pancake if it's completely uncovered.
Wait, how do I?
You can only grab the pancake if it's completely uncovered. Pancakes marked with a star are worth 3 points.
Fuck off, mate. Give me the pancake, bitch. Give me the pancake. I want the star. No, you. Rerun, please, because I want to practice getting this now.
It has to be completely uncovered.
Give me the. Got it, bitch. Okay, I'm done.
You ready, Sammy?
I'm ready for this shit.
You press the both top buttons and it'll start.
Ha, I'm gonna win this thing, losers. Yeah. Yeah.
You smoked them.
What's wrong with my laughing? Why are you laughing every time I laugh like that? How? I'm still a winner. Oh, you're second now.
You're just laughing like a psychotic person.
Yoshi is so lucky today. Let's go, Monty Mole. Someone.
So that was the worst score.
5. Good luck, Sandman. Oh, look at that. It gets to do that.
Buddy.
Ooh, what's that? 5+ roll dice.
Everything. And guess what? Everyone talks about you badly in our secret groups. You don't already go follow Sarah.
2, 4.
This is mostly a video for the creators and vloggers who think they're friends with characters. And therefore
My allies, I still got them. I don't fucking know. What does that board mean?
videos are okay for them to make
Don't know.
because they know the performer. I wish you could see what these performers write about you or DM me about you. Every single performer I know hates character content. No matter what
Thanks, guys.
content it is. Doesn't matter
I
how
don't care. Go on.
it is. But she's right. We do talk about you all the time. And I promise you,
Let me pass, bitch.
none.
Which way is... Oh!
No.
Talks about you badly in our secret groups. You don't
Lit potato. What's this? you supposed to be doing? Oh, wait. You're supposed to be passing the potato. Oh, my allies are playing too. You guys are out. Let's go, ally. Let's go, my ally. Let's do this. Don't get me out, bitches. Yes! Now it's me.
Oh, there
Now it's
goes
me and
this
Daisy's ally.
Luigi
I mean
Daisy.
Peach's ally. Let's go, Peach's ally. Bitch. Oh shit, it's going. I won from her freaking ally. Let's go. Now we know how this works, right? Do I control them all?
You did that on purpose, Bowser.
Wait, do I still control my... Oh, never mind. My allies work on their own. Don't pass at me. You're still losing.
Yes.
No hard feelings, my allies. Go on. Ha! Now it's me versus my ally. Wait, I still won that even if my ally tries to go against me? Ready to start, Sammy? My ally still has me win, even if it's my ally. Let's go. In. Make do. Our allies are out. Yes, now it's just us, the players that are actually playing this. Good luck, my allies. Pass it, man. Pass it, man. Have the computers hold. I hate these computers, man. Maybe it should have been computer you, computer me. Yay, you won that shit. Okay.
Yay, Monty Mole. Monty Mole.
Monty Mole. Monty Mole for your pants. No. I
You
get
did
two.
it, Monty.
I get two. For frick's sake. I swear. I don't care if you have more dice. I mean, coins. Alright, you can shut up, Daisy. Go to Luigi.
Leave her alone. That's Luigi's girlfriend. Oh.
No, please don't. What is this? Oh shit.
Darn. You at least got my the 10 coins. Oh,
Yeah, there's still coins for me too.
no choice.
Use the dice. Just use the dice, man.
You will help me.
10. 1.
No way. Nuh-uh.
Ha! You don't have enough to steal my star! She doesn't have enough to steal from my star. Why don't you take from Daisy since she... I mean, damn it, it's Peach since she has more.
What? Oh, I chose Daisy. Oops.
Oops. You should have chose Peach because she has
I'm
more.
sorry. I'm sorry, Daisy. I'm sorry. Don't be mad at me. Ugh. I I thought.
Damn it, I should have said Peach.
My bad.
Do you want to go that way?
Huh?
Oh wait, you actually. You go.
What?
You're behind me and all, but. Zero. You suck, Peach. You suck. Ha, loser. What is there to buy? Warped star map for the custom dice things. Nice.
No!
How much is this one?
Why?
I got the star.
This is second time.
Checkmate. I'm in the.
Oh.
There's another one? I thought I was done with this. Is this the end?
Mm-hmm.
Finally! Yes! Yes! Motherfucker! Yes! Sorry. Yeah, you can do that, because. I can have a third ally!
Oh my god.
Why? Stop it! You're so mean.
That's crazy.
Rosalina. Yes, Rosalina! I got 3 allies now.
I got none. I'm not
This
talking.
is my first time playing this.
I'm not talking to you.
Trip navigator. How do you do this?
Find your way to the goal in the center. If you can't find the path,
Fucking hell.
charge through even if you fall down.
Meh. I will charge through. I will charge through the shit. Oh, I think I found it.
Mm-hmm.
I found it. I'm sorry. Peach found her way. Come on, Sammy. Beat Peach. You're 47, 46, 42 steps away. Let's go, Peach. Charge through, Sammy. Charge through. You have to charge through. Come on, charge through. Let's go. Charge through. Yes! Okay, we're ready now. Okay. No.
Okay. I can do this. Follow the path.
I tried to go.
That.
Charge through even if you have to.
There you go.
I made it there first. I got the bananas.
Now we're in the championship of Mario games. I'm seriously not that surprised.
Just why all the coins you have, Peach, doesn't mean that I have. That doesn't mean you have more stars than me. I do. I have more stars than you.
If I get to it first. Death Star's my bro.
No. She's close
If I
You
could
would
look
still win.
But no, I'm sorry. No, she still has it though. No, she still. Don't go that way because you have to pay.
But the way that Daisy is closer to the end, isn't it?
No! No, she won't. No!
Yes, Sammy.
No!
Pay the 10 coins. Hello. Oh, thank you.
What? Wait, I thought we were done.
Hey, good night.
You too. I should shut up. What the fuck?
A pizza.
It's a piece of pie. You will not get that star. I will get it, bitch. What is that? Bad luck.
What? No! Don't put him in timeout. He's too adorable.
Wait, this is yours to control. Ha! Stop the roulette wheel.
What?
Wait, what are you supposed to do?
Then?
What are you gonna do? Wait.
What?
Oh, do the arrow thing. Now do it.
What?
You give 10 coins to the last player.
No.
Am I too loud?
No.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
This
Okay.
is like cold. Isn't that fun?
Yeah, it's good. Where'd you get it from?
Pasta mista.
Pasta Misto.
What is
And
that pizza?
This is a buffalo chicken.
Oh, no. Get that away from me.
Would you like a buffalo chicken?
What
Can
do
you
you, what is
calm down? We're not giving you anything needed.
Wait, why does she keep getting coins? Stop giving her coins. She lit.
And then I have them put this.
You
in
should have
small
gave some
sizes.
to me. I'm superior.
Who, me?
I'm the leader.
Wait. I gave 10 rings to her?
Thank
Why did she choose this side? You were stupid for doing that. I'm gonna say rich, but
Wait, I gave 10 rings to her? I pay attention.
No, I do not. No, she didn't walk to the star. Seal one. No, you fucking stole.
Bye-bye. She deserves a princess friend, so you stole one of her friends, and she got her back.
Go back.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Should I
Oh,
use,
wait.
which one should I
You want
use? The
this
Bowser dice or something? Which one has the 11?
Well, hit next. I think it was the Bowser dice. Yeah, I think it's that one.
Alright. I swear to God, I hate.
These pumpkin chicken pieces, good. It's not exactly hot. Would you like it microwaved?
I could just use the.
Would you like me to microwave it?
What?
Can you open that drawer? There's napkins
Yes,
in
I
there.
will.
Just pull
I
out the
thought you
napkins.
had- No, fuck this. I hate this. Why do I always help me?
I have hand sanitizer.
That's okay. Wait, what? Would you like me to microwave it? It's not that hot.
No.
No? But you want yours microwaved?
Do you want me to do it?
It's okay. Do you want a microwave though?
What are you, our servant or something?
Wait. Oh, I wasn't paying attention. I'm so Wait, was I supposed to hit that? I'm sorry. Oh, fine.